whole minute.
What do you need from there? Come on, what do you need?
Taking a picture, obviously.
What do you need? Oh.
Well, this is delightful.
I just have my yogurt in my phone.
Look at that chocolate chip just waiting to be eaten. Take a picture of me.
Yeah.
A picture. Oh, he's recording? Are you kidding me? Come on. Just act natural. All natural. Ew. Ew, that's so gross. Ew, you almost touched it. What?
You went into my mouth.
Oh.
Not the yogurt.
Does it really taste like strawberry shortcake? Or not really?
No. No. This isn't a video, is it?
No.
No, it's not. I mean, I was like, pretending it's a
Oh. What?
I'm so confused. Golly.
Golly.
Way to ruin it.
You want to talk?
Yeah.
Wait.
Yeah.
Oh, did you turn it back? Like, push the button and then it flips it?
Uh-oh. I don't have that technology.
I see. Can you stop taping me? I don't like being taped. Did you just burp? Or something?
Why is your tongue still?
Yeah. Ew.
Ew. Oh, he's got yogurt on his nose. Oh, 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 oh.
Tone it down.
Oh, I saw Friends the other day.
Yeah.
I like, and Ross goes, fellas.
I didn't see that. Which episode is that? You remember?
Ross loses his apartment or something, and he just
Was I
broke
over
up
here?
with Emily. I don't know.
Yeah, I was here for that episode.
You were?
Yeah, it was like
The
when they should.
fellas.
I don't remember that though.
Are you? You're not even. Okay. You don't remember them?
I don't remember doing that. No.
The fellas.
I don't understand what he's attempting to do. Nice effects.
Oh, hello.
Sunshine says hello. Ew, he's licking my foot.
Oh.
It's kind of warm.
He is dog. That's hot.
He is dog.
You're warm-blooded.
He is dog.
Something just fell, sweetheart. My property. What would you like us to do?
Are we playing or what?
It's Canner's turn. So.
Dude.
You didn't. He did.
Oh, he did. Can I taste it really quick? I just want to see, like, the...
Please do.